Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restore on the application of Brave app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Brave and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.